Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ancient grains and exploring the secrets behind the world's healthiest ancient grain bread. So, what makes this bread so special? Before we bake into the details, take a moment to support the channel by clicking the like button and subscribe if you are new to the better health, wellness and fitness community. Become a part of the health seeker movement. Tap the bell icon to stay up to date when we release new videos each week. First things first, what exactly is the world's healthiest ancient grain bread? This bread is made from a blend of ancient grains, which are grains that have remained largely unchanged over the past several hundred years. These grains include quinoa, amaranth, spelt, teff, millet, and more. Unlike modern wheat, ancient grains are often more nutrient-dense and have unique health benefits. So, where do these ancient grains come from? Many of these grains have fascinating histories. For example, quinoa originates from the Andean region of South America. Amaranth was a staple food of the Aztecs in Mexico. Spelt has been cultivated in the Middle East for over 9,000 years, and teff is native to Ethiopia. Each of these grains has been valued for their nutritional properties and resilience in various climates. Now, let's talk about the best ways to eat this nutritious bread. Here are some delicious ideas. Number 1. Classic toast. Simply toast it and spread some avocado, nut butter, or hummus on top for a quick and healthy snack. Number 2. Sandwiches. Use it to make hearty sandwiches filled with your favorite veggies, lean proteins, and spreads. Number 3. Breakfast delight. Top it with poached eggs and sautéed spinach for a nutritious breakfast. Number 4. Healthy pizza. Use it as a base for a quick and healthy pizza by adding tomato sauce, cheese, and your favorite toppings before baking. Number 5. Croutons. Cut it into cubes, season, and bake to make crunchy croutons for salads and soups. Now the question is, what are the health benefits of the world's healthiest ancient grain bread? Number 1. Nutrient-rich. Ancient grains are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Number 2. High in fiber. This bread is high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Number 3. Gluten-friendly options. Some ancient grains are naturally gluten-free, making them suitable for people with gluten sensitivities. Number 4. Protein-packed. Many ancient grains are high in protein, providing a good source of energy and supporting muscle health. Number 5. Low glycemic index. These grains have a low glycemic index, which means they help regulate blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy. Wondering where you can get your hands on this amazing bread? You can find it at most health food stores, specialty bakeries, and even online. Look for brands that prioritize organic and non-GMO ingredients to ensure you're getting the best quality. The world's healthiest ancient grain bread is not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, click the video on the left for more amazing health and wellness content, and as always, thanks for watching.